Command my hands to put these lashes on. Hello YouTube world. Okay, I'm back and I just had a little idea that I want to try on these fake lashes. So I bought fake lashes. Y'all know me, I tried to do makeup that one time and makeup is not for me, but I just want to do it. And I'm actually going to wear these out, so let's see how I do. I don't know what I'm doing. I looked at a few tutorials and I know that you need mascara. I know that you need tweezers, and I know that you need scissors possibly. Let me get my scissors. I guess I'm going to try. These are from e.l.f. I don't know how good these are for people like me, but we'll see. So I'm going to peel this off. It's really hard. I'm going to take it with the tweezers. Don't want to break the lash. Okay. So now let's see how they even, like, I know that the smaller part is supposed to go in the middle. So let's just see, like, they said lay it up there and see. Oh wait, I'm supposed to put on mascara first. Let me just pause. That's not even the right way, Britt. What you doing? How the freak you do this? See, I gotta use my hands. I'm not savvy with these tweezers. How the freak you even put this on top of your lashes? I'm confusion. Okay, so I'm about to apply some mascara. I mean, my eyelashes are already fine. Like, look at, these are my lashes, like, but I just like to be extra. Oh, I put my hair up because it was in the way. But I'm gonna put this on. Like, is this supposed to look like this though, for real? Cause like it look sticky. I'm doing it with my hands because I ain't too savvy with tweezers. Well, let me just see. Whoa. Eye closed, Britt. I needed some extra glue on the outside. Whoa. This ain't working. I don't even have eyelashes in the middle. That's what it looked like. Like, what the freak, bro? As soon as I put one side down, the other side want to pop up. It's playing seesaw. Like, I'm tired of this. I'm about to put some Elmers. They about to make me bring out my Elmers. I'm gonna put some more glue on this thing one more time. One more time. Say, get up. I mean, you know what to do. Okay, I'm gonna put it on with my hands. I command my hands to put these lashes on. Hands. They say use wig glue, but I don't got no wigs, y'all. What the freak? Hands. Put these lashes on. I had lashes one time for prom. The junk was heavy and I ain't really like them. And I see why. I see why now. I'm gonna get a freaking eye infection up here with all this glue. Okay. First one done. No, it's not. Why won't it go? Freak this. I'm gonna put it up here and have two eyelashes. Oh, that ain't work still. Like, it's popping off. Like, y'all see this? I'm about to get so annoyed right now. You see? This is why it's not for me. Like, makeup and stuff and facial things, like fake stuff, is just not for me. Like, when I have my fake nails, tell me how I'm gonna bend it back. I'm gonna bend it back and my finger's gonna swell up and bleed. I'm like, this crap not for me, bro. It's not for me. It ain't for everybody, and I'm convinced that I am the person that it's not for. Why this won't come off now? I'm gonna rip this jank, bro. Dang, the artificial glue stick better than the real stuff. Like the glitter that came in the pack. Look at this, y'all. So my lashes, they already long, bro. I don't need no fake lashes. See, I'm telling myself that because I can't put nothing on. This one is a lost cause. Oh, you might not be a lost cause. Let's see what you got. Oh, you lost. Okay, so this is the end product. There's no possible way that I'm going to get these lashes to stay on my face. Unless I got wig glue. And your girl ain't got no wig glue. It looks like this is as much as they're going to go on to my eyes. So here's the product. Ooh, wait. I would actually look good. Like, if these jinx actually worked. How y'all do this? If you are out there and you wear fake lashes, teach me how to do it, because this is my tutorial, and I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.